Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Chai AI on website. So let's get started. First of all, you could open any of the search engine you have, go to the search bar at the top and type in Chai-AI followed by .com and press enter. Once you do so, you'll be redirected to chaiai.com. It's going to ask you to sign in with your account. So if you have an account already, you can click on sign in and select your account. Once you do so, you'll be redirected to the feed section. Here is discover and you'll be able to see numerous characters that you can chat with. So here are different characters. You can simply click on chat and you can also search for them. Simply search for any trending characters or any specific character that you want. You can also get pro in order to unlock unlimited chatting with the characters, and you can view all your recent chats over here in chat section. And that was basically how you can use Chai AI on website. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.